The actions you take today are going to have an effect on what your tomorrow looks like. You slow at work? Yeah, so what? So's everybody else. You could be using this time to check out the new content over at realworldpdr.com, home of the best online PDR tutorials. We never stop grinding, and as a matter of fact, we've uploaded tons of new lessons from beginners all the way to super advanced. And hell no, this isn't just show and tell PDR. This is step-by-step tutorials that will help you learn and master the art of PDR. You know what helps PDR techs sleep at night even during times like these? They've developed a highly lucrative skill that's gonna be there long after this virus has left us. Do you dream of having that kind of comfort? Well, stop dreaming and start acting. We've developed an online PDR teaching system that is helping techs learn faster. We do that by developing the thought processes, repeatable thought processes that you can use throughout every repair. I've dedicated thousands of hours of my life into these hundreds of PDR tutorial videos. If you're willing to give back some of your effort and dedication, I can teach you how to do PDR. Ask anybody who's a member. From beginner techs all the way to 20+ year PDR technicians, they're all gaining and learning from realworldpdr.com. I've even included footage from our recent PDR workshop, so you can learn from the most respected PDR technicians and tool manufacturers this industry has to offer. Go to realworldpdr.com today and sign up now.